नमस्तेस्तु महामाये श्रीपीडे सुरपूजिते शंखचक्रं गदाहस्ते महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते. Surrendering that Sri Parabrahmam Sri Padam. I offer my respect to everyone. Today let us see how the Varalakshmi Viradam began. In the land of Saurashtra, Mahalakshmi came herself in the form of an old Sumangali and thought how to perform the Varalakshmi Puja to the Princess Yamala of Saurashtra. Now let us see how to perform the Varalakshmi Puja. This puja falls on Friday before full moon in the month of Avani. This puja is called Varalakshmi Puja because it grants desired boon. This puja is performed with flowers, turmeric to be auspicious and prosperous with Saubhagyam. First clean the puja room, place the Mahalakshmi Sri Chitra and invoke the Mahalakshmi in the Purna Kumbha. There are many auspicious items such as lemon, turmeric, betel leaves and sandalwood in the puja. After the puja is over, take the turmeric rope and tie it in your hand. May Sri Mahalakshmi bless everyone. Nityasri Nityamangalam. Sri Mahe Sri Pani Saranam.